Hello students, my name is Deepak Mani and this is my fifth lecture on mathematical logic. Points we are going to discuss in this lecture are logical equivalence, then tautology, contradiction, contingency, and then examples. So let us start with our first point, logical equivalence. And the definition is two statement patterns are said to be equivalent if their truth values are identical. If statement patterns A and B are equivalent, we write it as like this. This read as A equivalent with B. Okay. So equivalent two statement patterns are logical equivalent means they have same meaning. Okay. For example, let us consider two statement pattern. First one P implies Q and second one negation Q implies negation P. The truth table of P implies Q is this one and the truth table for negation Q implies negation P is this one. Okay. In the truth table of P implies Q containing three columns, first P, second Q, and then P implies Q. And the truth table of negation Q implies negation P containing five number of columns. First column is P, second Q, third negation Q, fourth negation P, and then negation Q implies negation P. Now just compare the truth values of P implies Q and negation Q implies negation P. Here we observe that the corresponding truth values of these two statement patterns are identical. Okay. The truth values of P implies Q are TF, TT, and the truth values of negation Q implies negation P are TF, TT. That means by definition, these two statement patterns are logically equivalent, and this can be written as P implies Q logically equivalent with negation Q implies negation P. लास्ट लेक्चर आपण कॉन्व्हर्स इनव्हर्स कॉन्ट्रापॉझिटिव्ह स्टडी केलेला आहे की ज्याच्यामध्ये आपल्याला माहित आहे की निगेशन Q implies negation P is contrapositive of P implies Q. That means every conditional statement is logically equivalent with its contrapositive. That means these two statement patterns P implies Q and negation Q implies negation P have same meaning. Okay. Next, tautology, contradiction, and contingency. So first we see the definition of tautology. The given statement pattern is always true, then it is called as tautology. And the definition is a statement pattern whose truth value is true for all possible combinations of truth values of its prime components is called a tautology, and tautology is denoted by small t. For example, let us consider one statement pattern P or negation P. Okay. The truth table of this statement pattern is this one. Now the truth values of this statement pattern are all T. That means this statement pattern is always true. That means this statement pattern is tautology. Okay. Next, contradiction. The given statement pattern is always false, then it is called as contradiction. And the definition is a statement pattern whose truth value is false for all possible combination of truth values of its prime components is called a contradiction, and this contradiction is denoted by small c. For example, the statement pattern P and negation P. Okay, the truth table of P and negation P is this one. Now the truth values of P and negation P are F, F. Okay. That means this statement pattern is always false. So it is called as contradiction. Next, contingency. And the definition is a statement pattern which is neither tautology nor a contradiction is called contingency. For example, the statement pattern P and Q. Okay. The truth table of P and Q is this one. Now the truth values of P and Q are T, F, F, F. That means the truth value of the statement patterns are not all T as well as not all F. That means this statement pattern is neither tautology nor contradiction. That means this statement pattern is contingency. Next question is, using truth table, prove the following logical equivalences. So two statement patterns are given. First one P and Q, and second one negation of P implies negation Q. And using truth table we are going to identify, or we are going to prove, these two statement patterns are logically equivalent. So first we construct its joint truth table. Okay. Now here there are two prime components P and Q, and 1, 2, 3, 4, four logical connectives. So to construct truth table, joint truth table of two statement patterns, we required 2 plus 4, that is 6 number of columns, and that columns are first P, second Q, then we find negations, so we find negation Q, third column is negation Q, fourth column is P and Q, fifth column is P implies negation Q, and sixth column is negation of P implies negation Q. Since the given statement pattern containing two prime components, so there are four different combinations, and that combinations are: in P we write 2 times T 2 times F, in Q we write TF alternate. Now we find negation Q. So we all know negation of T is false and negation of F is true. So the truth value of this column are F T F T. Then we find P and Q. So in conjunction, if both P and Q are true, the corresponding P and Q is true, otherwise false. So the truth values of this column are T, F, F, F. Now we find P implies negation Q. That means first column implies third column. And in conditional, or for conditional statement, we all know if first is true, second is false, corresponding conditional statement will be false. So the truth values of this column are here T, F false, T, T true, F, T, F, F true, F, T true. And then we find negation of this column number 5. That means negation of P implies negation Q. So the truth values of this column are negation F is true, negation T is false, negation T is false, negation T is false. So here just compare column number 4 and column number 6. So the truth value of P and Q are T, F, 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 and the truth values of negation of P implies negation Q are T, F, F, F. That means the corresponding truth values of these two columns are identical. So by definition, we say that column 3 and 6 are identical. That means P and Q is logically equivalent with negation of P implies negation Q. Second example, P or Q implies R is equivalent with P implies R and Q implies R. So in this statement pattern containing three prime components P, Q, R, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, five logical connectives. So to construct joint truth table of these two statement patterns, we required 3 plus 5, that is 8 number of columns, and that 8 columns are first P, then Q, R, then we find P or Q, then we find P or Q implies R, then we find P implies R, then we find Q implies R, and then we find P implies Q and Q implies R. Since the statement pattern containing three prime components, so there are 8 different combinations, and that 8 different combinations are: in P we write 4 times T, 4 times F. In Q we write 2 times T, 2 times F, 2 times T, 2 times F. And in R we write TF, 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 TF alternate. So first we find P or Q. So for disjunction, we all know if both P and Q are false, the corresponding disjunction will be false. So the truth value of this column are here, just column number 1 and column number 2 are connected by OR. So here TT true, TT true, TF true, TF true, FT true, FT true. Here both P and Q are false. So FF false, and here again FF false. Now we find P or Q implies R. So for conditional statement, we all know if first one is true, second one is false, corresponding conditional statement is false. So here we are going to find the truth value of fourth column implies third column, and the truth values of this column are here TT true, TF false. Here first statement is true, second one is false, so corresponding conditional statement is false. Here again TT true, TF false, TT true, here TF false, FT true, FF true. Now we find P implies Q. That means first column implies third column, and the truth values are here TT true, here TF first statement is true, second one is false, so TF false, again TT true, TF false, FT true, FF true, FT true, FF true. Now we find Q implies R. That means second column implies third column, and the truth values of this column are here TT true, again here TF first statement is true, second one is false, so TF false, FT true, FF true, TT true, TF false, FT true, FF true. And now these two columns P implies R and Q implies R are connected by AND. And in for conjunction, we all know if both are true, then corresponding conjunction will be true. Otherwise false. So the truth value of this column are here TT, both statements are true. So corresponding conjunction will be true. Here FF false, TT true, here FT false, again TT true, TF false, TT true, TT true. So here just compare column number 5 and column number 8. So the corresponding truth values of these two columns are identical. So by definition, we say that from column 5 and 8, since column 5 and 8 are identical, that means P or Q implies R is logically equivalent with P implies R and Q implies R. That means these two statement patterns have same meaning. Next question, examine whether each of the following statement pattern is tautology, contradiction or contingency. If the given statement pattern is always true, it is called as tautology. If it is false, then it is called as contradiction. And if a statement pattern is neither tautology nor contradiction, then it is called as contingency. So the first statement pattern is P implies Q and Q implies P. So this statement pattern containing two prime components P and Q and 1, 2, 3 logical connectives. So the truth table of this statement pattern containing 2 plus 3, 5 columns, and that columns are first P, Q, then we find P implies Q, then we find P implies Q and Q, then we find P implies Q and Q implies P. As there are two prime components, so there are 4 different combinations, and that 4 combinations are in P we write 2 times T, 2 times F. In Q we write TF, TF alternate. Now first we find P implies Q. So for conditional statement, if first statement is true, second one is false, the corresponding conditional statement will be false, otherwise true. So the truth values of this column are here TT true, TF false. Here first statement is true, second one is false. That means the conditional statement will be false. Again ft true, ff true. Now we find p implies q and q. That means third column and second column. So for here two are connected by and, here these two, column number 3 and column number 2 are connected by and. That means this is condition, this is conjunction. And for conjunction we all know, if both are true, the corresponding conjunction will be true. So the truth values of this column are here tt true, here both column number 3 and column number 2 are true. That means this statement will be true. Here ff false, tt true, tf false. And now p implies q and q implies p. That means fourth column implies first column, and the truth values of this column are here t true, f t true, t f false. We all know for conditional statement, if first one is true, second one is false, the corresponding conditional statement will be false. And here f again true. So here the truth values of given statement pattern are neither all t nor all f. That means the truth value of given statement patterns are not same. That means it is neither tautology nor contradiction. That means it is contingency. So the answer is the truth values in the last column are not same. Hence, the given statement pattern is contingency. Next, second statement pattern is P implies Q, double implies negation P or negation Q. So this statement pattern containing two prime components P and Q and 1, 2, 3, 4 logical connectives. So its truth table containing 2 plus 4, that is 6 number of columns. Okay, and that 6 columns are first P, then Q, which are prime components. Then we find negation P. Okay, all negations. Then we find P implies Q. Then we find negation P or Q, and then we find the truth value of this statement pattern P implies Q, double implies negation P or Q. Similar here in this, for this statement pattern there are two prime components, so there are 4 different combinations. In P we write 2 times T, 2 times F. In Q we write TF, TF alternate. Then we find negation P. Okay, so for negation we all know negation of T is false, negation of F is true. So the truth value of this column are negation T false, negation T false, negation F true, negation F true. Now we find P implies Q. So for implication, if first statement is true, second one is false, the corresponding implication will be false, otherwise true. So the truth value of this column are T true, TF false. Here first statement is true, second one is false. So this conditional statement will be false. Then FT true, FF true. Now we find negation P or Q. Negation P means third column and Q means second column. So third column and second column are connected by OR. That means disjunction. And for disjunction, if both are false, the corresponding disjunction will be false, otherwise true. So the truth value of this column are here FT true, here FF both are false. That means the corresponding disjunction will be false. So F for F false, here T true, here TF false. Now we find P implies Q, double implies negation P or Q. That means this fourth column and fifth column are connected by if and only if, double implication. And for double implication we all know, if both have same truth values, the corresponding biconditional statement will be true, and if they have opposite truth values, then the biconditional statement will be false. Okay, so the truth value of this biconditional statement or these columns are this one. Okay, so here these two statement pattern have same truth values TT, so TT true, FF same, true, TT same, true, TT same, so true. So all truth values of this column are T. That means this statement pattern is always true. That means it is tautology. So the answer is all the truth values in the last column are T. Hence the given statement pattern is tautology. आता या ठिकाणी जर का तुम्ही बघितला तर entries in column 4 and column 5 are identical. Okay, and when the truth values of two statement patterns are identical, they are called as logical equivalent. That means P implies Q and negation P or Q, these two statement patterns are logically equivalent. That means these two statement pattern have same meaning. Okay, and the biconditional statement of these two is tautology. मग यावरून तुम्ही काय लक्षात ठेवायचं की when two statement patterns are logically equivalent, then their biconditional statement will be tautology. Their biconditional statement will be tautology. Okay, next, third statement pattern is P and Q and negation P or negation Q. So this statement pattern containing two prime components P and Q and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 logical connective. So this the truth table of this statement pattern containing 2 plus 5, that is 2 plus 5, that is 7 columns. Okay, and that 7 columns are, first we write P and Q, which are prime components of the statement pattern. Then we find all the negations. That means we find negation P, negation Q. Then we find P and Q. Then we find negation P or negation Q. And then we find the truth value of this whole statement pattern. That means P and Q and negation P or negation Q. As there are two prime components, so there are 4 different possibilities or combinations, and that combinations are 2 times T, 2 times F, and in Q we write TF, TF alternate. Then we find negation P and negation Q. Okay, so the negation P is negation T is false, negation T is false, negation F is true, negation F is true, and in negation Q, negation T is false, negation F is true, negation T is false, negation F is true. Then we find P and Q. Here both P and Q are true, so T and T true, T F false, F T false, F F false. Then we find negation P or negation Q, that means third column or fourth column, and the truth values of this column are, here F or F both are false, so the corresponding disjunction will be false. So F or F false, F or T true, T or F true, T or T true. Now this column number 5 and column number 6 are connected by and the truth values of this column are, here TF false, FT false, FT false, FT false. That means the all entries in last column are F. That means this statement pattern is always false. That means it is contradiction. So the answer is all the truth values in the last column are F. Hence the given statement pattern is contradiction. Now today's homework, here two questions. Question number 1, using truth table prove the following logical equivalence, and the second question is, in second question some statement patterns are given and we are going to identify which of them are tautology, contradiction or contingency. हा जो क्वेश्चन आहे, हा क्वेश्चन तुम्हाला असा देखील विचारला जाऊ शकतं की construct truth table and interpret the result. Interpret the result means we have to identify whether the statement pattern is tautology, contradiction or contingency. So just take screenshot and try to solve. Thank you.